Hello and welcome my friend, and today we have car defect and issue, and now we have BMW car where is this starting issue and what that means. Okay, now when I press this start and stop button, what happens? Engine like hesitates, but no start. Okay, and what is defect in this my car? Because this car really suddenly stops to drive in highway and something happened to engine. And let's start test again. It like start to do something but no start. Okay, and how we can fix that issue? Okay, and how we can fix issue if our BMW car it would not start? We have to try to read this car's error memory with this OBD2 scanner port. And let's do that next, that we can see that what defects we have in this engine. Okay, and now I have really connected this my scanner in this BMW's OBD2 port, and then I have to do this diagnostic test or this OBD test, and let's look at what defects I can found in here. And I have in here this basic iCar soft scanner, OBD2 scanner. Any of scanner is suitable. Okay, and then we turn on our electricity and we choose in here our car model, what is now in my case this BMW in here, and let's look at what defects we can found in here. Okay, and now I have made this scanning, and we have this BMW code 2A59, and it is like current, it is just in here on this defect code, and it says that valvetronic eccentric shaft sensor, and this means now that my camshaft is in wrong position. Okay, this is really, and it means that now I have maybe timing chain this error, timing chain has jump, and this is one of these symbols and signs that camshaft is in wrong position. Okay, and this is really situation that now there is no any defect code. I start again. It like hesitates to start, but no any codes in here. It like it's tried to start. Now I stop that. Okay, and then we can look that can we see in here some another errors. Back, read fault memory. But there is only one valvetronic eccentric shaft sensor. And this means now that now this valvetronic is not working, and I think that now there is this timing chain, it has been jump in another position. Okay, and now when I check this is my car's camshaft, I can see right away in this area in here that these cams markings, they are in totally different positions, like in here, that one, and then that one, because they have to be in synchronized in same phase. Now they are totally different, and that's this sensor gives error message because this position and then these sensors, these positions, sensors in here, that one and that one positions, they are not in the line. This sensor is in wrong position, that one and also that one and that one, and that's there has been happened that that this my timing chain, it has been jumped to wrong position. Okay, and how to fix that? I have to set up this timing chain back, and if any parts are missing or broken, I have to replace this. And of course I have to replace this timing chain, because now timing chain has jumped in wrong position, and camshaft, they are not in the correct line. This is what happens when timing chain jumps.